Dipona sanya buna enchira emo yogosira ebiegwa abyoborai asaborokiwa nigobotenirwe skuru ya Set Green ya Set Green Hill yegotoka hasensemo ya jogo yanyara kobage kwarigania umuroberio bobochori bwabarai baborokiwa se skuru eyo kolenga no botenirwe skuru eyo nobwataba yenenchira emo irachikobaye kwene kiabuna borokiwa banyara kobaba gwesira na boigogo sirwa eli banyara koba kogendereria ebiegwa bya byobora ikinga kieche chini gobo banyale ko bakoboria oboteneneri anene mu county commission na bwe county ya Kisii anyale ko bakwene kia obotoere ruchinga kichokorobekana na liyo chinchera gose na liemeroberia botambe ye chiskuru iranyale ko bageko genderane chiskuru chiria chiatana ine ensemo gosobo gatagati bo mujobo songo munagotomanya muri kyo itonde Steven.
We are recognized the mother of David Wetama, the deputy president to be.
Rero neli tukolege demokrasia ase skuru ya Set Green Hill ase merobeligionsi ya skuru egotenena elia borokiwa ko bachora baraibabo litukoligocha magechi campaign koera
is casting his vote. The current president is casting the vote.
Aborokiwa nigo bagutumeko mochoko bene obekirene kyo bentenera kyo bochori omorokiwo yomo ekure yemo ase birogo byonsi byo bochori bibekire. Eki gekobwatia na chikura kobarwa inseobole ndio botindi bwechi agent chabarwaniriri be birogo no mwelioye okorarigwa bene gwechikura.
I hereby to release the results officially. Frank Matara managed to score 100 votes, which is representing 20.2%. Fabiola Maranga, her deputy was Caleb Okindo, managed to get 386 votes.
I'd like to thank you all and the teachers for the support you've given me when I was in presidency. I'd like to thank you all for voting for my successor here, Fabiola. Actually, I was just supporting.
Wow! I would like by thanking you for voting for us. We will ensure good teamwork cohesion, as I said earlier.
We gave the kids humble time to do their campaign. They did their campaign, they did campaign well, and then I think after agreement with the election board that we have in our school, we agreed that today would be the day that we were supposed to do our election.
Abaraiya bachore nigo bakwegwa libagaria bene lioko bakwanira abaorokiwa bosio bomuroberio ndeo bene bogotianirwa kwabo.
It is with great pleasure to be standing in front here as the president of the mighty Set Green Hill Academy. I would like to thank those who voted for me. You will not regret me being the president. Even though of all the things which have happened, Frank, we will work together to make this a better place.
I would like to thank everyone who voted for me and everyone who cheered me on to take this role. I would like to congratulate Fabiola. She won choir.
Chinga kiechio nige serikali ya borgu kwene kiabuna ya igure birero bya bali bakorobekana okobokorobekana gwenga kia ya mugo ikeyende ni okogoturubanya chisemi imechi skuru.
Maybe for our instant we were not seriously affected because even the school is situated far away from town. But I know what is happening with the schools that are within the town. Sometimes when we have got conditions that are a bit unfavorable, you will find that elements of the items that are used in demonstration or in warfare, they reach the school premises that sometimes put kids in a very tough situation. Psychologically, the kids are not settled. When they hear or when they get the sounds of the bullets, the gunshots, they get the sounds of the tear gas canisters that are dropping even into the school compounds, and so on and so forth.
Koripoteria Ndizi TV korua ensemo ya Set Green Hill Academy, ensemo ya Busongo ime county ya Kisii, elietariane Ndemo Steven.